Hey there, fitness enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into a 30-minute full-body strength training workout that'll help you sculpt your lower body and build core strength. Trust me, this workout is perfect for beginners and advanced athletes alike, and it's super easy to follow. Let's jump right in and get started. We'll be doing 5 rounds of exercises, each lasting 1 minute. Here are the moves we'll be working through. 1. Bodyweight squats. 2. Burpees. 3. Push-ups. 4. Alternating reverse lunges. 5. Plank holds. Ready to get started? Here's the breakdown of each exercise. 1 minute bodyweight squats. 1 minute burpees. Feel free to modify if needed. 1 minute push-ups. Modify if needed. 1 minute alternating reverse lunges. Each side counts. 1 minute plank hold. You can add a twist for extra challenge. And finally, take a 60-second break between rounds before repeating another 5 rounds. Keep going until you complete all 5 rounds. It shouldn't take more than half an hour. If you can fit in a small walk or rest day afterward, all the better. Remember to share your results with us using #BodyBalanceHubTVWorkout. We love seeing your progress. Thank you so much for tuning in, fitness fans. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you liked this video and subscribe to our channel for more awesome workouts like this one. Happy working out, everyone!